attractayo. I don't mix business with pleasure. Because le nto leyo izosifakela inkinga anyway. Uzosithola.
Welcome to Party Slayers with Lapush. It's all about the groove culture, baby. The partying, the dancing, the slaying, the so on. Gisha namakutsumela pagat.
To Party Slayers with Lapush. Today is a forest. It's Georgian Simpana's birthday celebration. Today, sinomsebenzi lana eforest. I would like to ask you, ukusebenza eforest, how is it?
Ukusebenza eforest is challenging. Especially because most of the time siyalingana nyana, yabo. It's challenging when but do right.
So manilotuzana angisakuza namadoda and stuff. Do you get attracted to the men, like maybe you serving?
I mean, I won't say that because I won't say I'm attractayo. I don't mix business with pleasure. Because le nto leyo izosifakela inkinga anyway. Uzosithola songasakwazi ukusebenza. So phela indoda yakho phela seyibona abanye so for me
guys, we don't mix business with pleasure. Mosebenza uyasebenza. Amadoda uzoyibona nini after work. And please guys, siyacela abasebenzi bangajoni namadoda wethu egroove. Siyacela please, siyacela. So today is George Mfana's birthday, and how do you handle the pressure masicwele la phakathi?
Kahle kumele ube strong because ukuba busy kwakhona yabona njenga today kuzoba busy and then njengoba kuzohlala neSouth Africa nje kumele wazi ukuthi umephi and kumele wazi ukusebenza nespeed sakho ukuthi okay mangisuka lana kumele ngendaweni yasona bese akho kumele ahlala gijima ukuthi endaweni yasona sendaweni yaso nje ipressure into ehlezi khona and yinto ekumele ukwazi ukudila nayo kahle kumele ukwazi ukudila nepressure.
Pressure. Being a waiter is not easy. I was once a waiter. So thank you, my sister. This is Party Slayers. Please, guys, like, share, subscribe at Party Slayers with Lapush. Thank you.
Bye.